Welcome back. If farms are not economically viable, you can convert them into fishing farms. Fisheries Department has come up with various methods attracting farm fishing. Moreover, Fisheries Department will help interested fishing entrepreneurs with government subsidy. Officials of Fisheries Department informed that freshwater fish farming is getting good response from Goans and especially from the youth. They had organized a demonstration for media on Wednesday.
तरुण वर्ग आसा पण कितें आसा आतां ही शेतां सुद्दां जर इकॉनॉमिकल वायबल जायना जर जायत वी आर गिविंग सबसिडीज फॉर कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ द पॉन्ड वी आर गिविंग सबसिडीज फॉर देम and for construction of the pond and there is a 5 lakh rupees loan at the subsidized interest rate of 5%. We bring it and give to the fisher the entrepreneurs on the subsidized rate of 300 per thousand.
We teach how to grow shrimp as well as fish farming as well as mussel farming and to entrepreneurs and even college students, and we have a 6 months training for students, and we teach them all pond preparation and how to identify the different kind of fish, mullets, atroplas, then white tiger prawn, all that we teach them here in this unit. From farmers it is very good. Last year we have sold 10 lakh seed, fingerlings.
Dempo Sports Club Director Shrinivas Dempo's plans of developing football infrastructure depends on the review of the Regional Plan 2021. Dempo wants to build a stadium to host his team's home matches and start a school-cum-academy to develop youth players. The Dempo Group Chairman is confident that the plan will be sorted out in a couple of months. Dempo has, however, reduced the budgetary allocation to his club.
We have our own land in Ella, where we are looking at 10+2 model school combined with an academy. We have started the process with the government of Goa. We are in the process of getting approvals. As you know, the regional plan is still in the formative stages, so probably the little delay is because of that. But it should go through in the next couple of months. We are hopeful that things are moving in the right direction. As far as our training ground for the top A-level team is concerned, we have given a couple of proposals to the government of Goa for identifying lands, and the government has already made football as an official sport, and they've been very supportive of football as a game. So we are hopeful that in a few months from now we would be finalizing on some stadium closer to Panjim, if not in Panjim, to take our training ground forward. And that's where an idea of building a clubhouse, getting spectators there, that bonding is essential so that the football game really becomes exciting and the strong spectator fan base builds.
We've also said about finding the need to find a business model. So have you got any closer to doing that?
That's a very challenging, right now it's a real challenge to see how a revenue model can be built. There are a few ideas which are emerging from All India Football Federation, from the clubs. But I think most important is we don't see a concrete model as yet. And that's the whole reason actually we have reduced our budget by about 20-25% this year, because we find that the budgets have been going up significantly. So we all sat and took a conscious decision that we'll make the right moves, but we will spend less money. And we've done that.
Death toll shot up and pilgrims remain stranded at the Char Dham Yatra. Rescue of stranded devotees and relief operations intensified on Wednesday in Uttarakhand. Over 70,000 tourists from different parts of the world are reported to be stranded. Some were rescued through helicopters from Kedarnath, Badrinath, Gangotri and Yamunotri. It has become difficult to know the exact number of deaths in this tragedy. If you have missed a bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.